Good morning, 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 good morning. The sun is shining. It is beautiful out. I didn't go to the gym this morning. It is 10 o'clock. And I am going to take my laptop downstairs, and I'm going to upload a gaming video, and I'm going to charge my GoPro, and I'm going to charge the Wi-Fi remote, and I'm going to do all them things, get them all done, get them done, get them done, get them done, because I'm going to the beach, let's get away. Hey, what you gonna say? That's all the words that I know. Let's go to the beach, let's get away. What you gonna say? You gonna say yes? Come to the beach? Yeah? Yeah? Come to the beach? Okay. Yep.
It's taking freaking forever. Break, go faster.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it.
Alright guys, so it's like 2 o'clock now. I'm going to see my friend on our lunch break, then going to get gas in my car. I might stop into work for a few minutes, and I'm gonna go back home and eat supper, and then go to the beach with the GoPro. I'm really stoked. I also downloaded the GoPro editor thing, so that if I get some really nice footage and want to do like some slow-mo things or whatever, I can do that. So that's pretty cool. The internet guy is supposed to be coming to fix our internet. I sat there for 2 hours trying to upload a video, and finally Dad called and asked about it. And they're gonna send someone to fix it, and I wasted 2 hours trying to upload a video because I have no internet at all. Because they wanted Dad to hook it up to bypass the router, and that means that I had no internet. So I wasted 2 hours of trying to upload a gaming video for nothing, but hopefully they'll fix it so I can re-upload a video later. Yeah.
Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Shifted higher than the ceiling, and ooh, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? 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 Sugar, how you get so fly?
Alright guys, I'm all done at the beach. I think I got some pretty epic shots there. Obviously you will have seen it before this here. Wow, that canoe, it's gonna hit someone. And it's not even tied down. Smart. But anyway, I'm gonna go home and drop all the footage from my GoPro onto my computer. Have a little supper and stuff. Look at some of the pictures and maybe edit some of them. And then once my friend gets off, I think we're gonna go back down to the cove. I really want to try my the time lapse on it and try and get a sunset time lapse, but I don't know if it's gonna be a nice sunset tonight because I think it's supposed to be cloud over with chance of thunder tonight. So we'll see how that goes anyway, but let's go home and eat. All right. So I'm back home and I've got all my GoPro footage imported, which is what I wanted to do. And I think I'm going to try and edit a little bit of it because the beach GoPro footage is pretty much all in one. Like it's going to go one right after another. I'm going to chop it all up in the GoPro editor. And because you already seen what it was, obviously. I wanted to try and get some waves that were crashing, but I don't know yet if I did, but the reason why I want to edit it in the GoPro editor is because I want to do slow motion so you can see like as the wave crashes. So I kind of have a lot of footage. So I'm going to chop it all up, make a nice little beach thingy, madoohickey, and see how it goes. Time to go catch the sunset. Switch to GoPro now. Alright guys, so it's time to go back home now. I don't know how that sunset footage turned out because it didn't really look that well on the GoPro, but it could just be because the quality on my phone might not show up very well. But it looked a lot better on my phone, so I should have just recorded it on my phone. Ooh, big bump. But anyway, I'm gonna go home and I still haven't really eaten anything for supper, but it's like 9:30 now, so I probably won't. I'll find just like a little snack or something. So anyway, did she take her stuff? Okay, she did. Never mind. Sorry. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow as always. Don't forget to subscribe if y'all brand new. Let me know in the comments. Did you like that beach footage? And I don't really like, because I know what the beach footage looks like and I like it. But since I don't know what the sunset footage looks like, and it might be in the vlog, it might not be in the vlog if I like it or if I don't like it. So let me know in the comments. Do you like the beach footage? Do you like the sunset footage? And let me know if you like GoPro footage. Because I really want to start doing more GoPro footage, like going to the beach and doing different things and having fun and stuff. So let me know if you like it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.